What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete messages on Chai app. So you might be wondering, how do you delete those messages? Now just in case if you want to, or in this case you're just bored with a conversation and just want to remove it and clean it from your account, well deleting it or deleting those conversations or messages is actually pretty easy. So first things first, you want to open up the Chai app here and just basically log in into your account. Now you want to go to your messages at the bottom section of your screen. Go ahead and click on the message icon here. And from here, in order for you to delete a message or a chat here, you just need to basically swipe to the left on the character or the chat you want to delete. And you should see delete here. Just click on delete in order for you to delete that specific chat. But if you want to delete all the chats that I currently have right now, just click on delete all chats here and click on delete all. But yeah, so that's how you delete your chats. Now, if you want to go ahead and proceed on this one, like for example, you reply to this character here. Now, the thing with this one is you won't be able to delete what you already said. But then again, you could actually just delete the chat for this one and start again if you want to. And we also have this icon, or in this case, the pencil icon next to the message that the character sent to you. So you could also edit that if you want to. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.